Hey y'all see my little faux piercing? I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna get it again. But look who I got with me. Kiki's here. Y'all, my friends here. My children are here.
She drove a short distance, a little bitty distance.
She drove all the way from West Palm Beach to hang out with your girl. Hey. Tonino, my boy.
Hey.
I just washed his hair. We got a little repair we need to do in the back. Back here. Turn around, Bubba. Back here. See where it's short? It's not attached to a lock. So, we're gonna do that today, right, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
We just washed all of the buildup out of his locks, so it's nice and clean. Gonna oil it real good and style it. Ain't that right, lover boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see your face. They want to see your face, boy.